Nestled about 4 kilometers southeast of downtown Calgary, at the junction of Ogden Road and Blackfoot Trail, Crossroads Market, also known as the People's Market, is a vibrant year-round destination with a local flavor you won't find in typical tourist guides. Open Friday through Sunday 9 to 5 p.m., the market's indoor halls are accessible year-round, while outdoor stalls flourish during the summer harvest months. Step inside and you're greeted by an authentic market scene. Multiple languages, vendors unloading produce, bustling aisles brimming with colorful crates of seasonal goods. The space has raw character, with steel beams overhead and stalls arranged like a labyrinth, especially energetic in the fall peak season when the giant tent is packed. More than just a farmer's market, Crossroads also houses a 48-vendor flea market gallery, a theater, a rehearsal studio, and live music venues, making it a multifaceted cultural hub as well. During the growing season, look for produce from Hutterite Farms, Newdale, Skylight, Springvale, and Clearview colonies, alongside local growers like Broxburn Vegetables, Pearson's Berry Farm, and Season's Best Produce. Everything from honey and eggs to corn, cherries, pies, and sausages is on offer. And don't skip the food court. Try everything from fresh waffles, vegan creme brulee, unagi bowls to artisan pies. Notably, Old Munich German Sausage House, Anatolian Turkish cuisine, and Nila's Taste of Indonesia stand out with global flavors among the crowd. Spend time browsing the indoor boutique market, offering antiques, crafts, vintage vinyls, pins, comics, leather goods, and collectible treasures. The market is more than retail. It hosts art exhibitions, workshops, and even live events, including stampede breakfasts, petting zoos, kids coloring stations, and even dance performances. Here are some practical tips for tourists visiting Crossroads Market. Go early on Saturday. Traditionally, Sunday mornings get very busy for vibrant energy and the freshest goods. And try the Sunday afternoon clearance deals. After 3 p.m., vendors may slash prices by up to 40% to clear produce left over at closing time. Bring cash. Many vendors prefer it for quick transactions. And allow time to explore. The market's size, over 100,000 square feet, with so much vendors, means you can easily spend a couple hours here discovering hidden corners. For tourists eager to dig deeper than classic sightseeing, Crossroads Market is an unpolished, genuine slice of Calgary spirit. It blends food, culture, art, history, and community in a mashup of flavors and faces. It's a lively local's favorite you may not find in guidebooks, but one you'll remember long after your visit. Now, let's continue exploring the market together. Remember to like this video if you found it interesting and consider subscribing so that you don't miss any other videos. And we would love to hear from you. What is your favorite vendor at this market? Leave a comment below.
Yeah, that's pretty fun. Okay, thanks. I'll get this guy. Okay. Yeah, sure. I want the back. Oh, yeah. What's up? Guys, bringing in. Wonderful. Want a bag? No. Yeah.
Hello, hi, my name is Choo Choo. I'm the son of IJ, who's the owner of Golden Crunch Chin Chin. We've been here for the last 2 months, and we make a local Nigerian snack called Chin Chin. And we've kind of like spun our own things on it, put different flavors into it. We have cinnamon, we have chocolate, we have coffee, vanilla, nutmeg, and ginger. And feel free to always come to the Crossroads Open Market. This is where we're located right now, and we'll be expanding soon. Thank you.
Dried red peppers. They dry them in the summer, and then they have them in the winter like this, and they either rehydrate them or
Hey there, I'm Rob with Sea Change Brewery. We're here at the Crossroads Market. We've had this location for 18 months now. We're an Edmonton-based brewery. This is our first location in Calgary. We're one of a small handful of other breweries and distilleries here at the market. We're open every weekend, Friday through Sunday, and you should come down and see us and a lot of our other friends and neighbors.